Hello, good evening, all of you. Okay, this is the Ascaris, a video on Ascaris MCQ. Let us see some of 15 MCQs from the Ascaris. Okay, try to answer this. I will tell you answers later. Okay, you try without looking at books. Okay, don't copy answers from other books. Try yourself first. You can understand. Okay, where is your preparation? Therefore, you can introspect yourself and you can change your preparation. Mode of infection of Ascaris is by. Mode of infection of Ascaris is by. Okay, try whether you are able to answer questions right away without looking at the options. Okay, inoculation, contract, contamination, and blood transfusion. What is the mode of infection of Ascaris? Here comes the second question. Infective stages of Ascaris are. What are the infective stages of Ascaris? Okay, embryonated egg with second stage larva, embryonated egg with second stage larva, embryonated third stage rhabditiform larva, and next one is the fourth stage rhabditiform larva. Okay, this is the third one. Mammillated eggs are seen in. Okay, Wuchereria, Tinea, Ascaris, Plasmodium. Mammillated eggs are seen in. Cloaca and pineal spicules are characteristic of. Okay, cloaca and pineal spicules are the characteristic of tapeworm, earthworm, male roundworm, and female roundworms. Okay, here comes the fifth one. The second and third moltings of rhabditiform larva takes place in. Second and third moltings of rhabditiform larva takes place in. Second and third moltings of rhabditiform larva takes place in. Egg itself, okay, liver, alveoli, heart. Okay, next one. Okay, here comes the next one, the seventh one. Fifth one, and then here is the actually it is the sixth one, but this number mistake. Okay, larva of Ascaris perform extraintestinal migration through the following organs in the body of man. Larva of Ascaris perform extraintestinal migration through the following organs in the body of man. Okay, you can write one more bit here. You can add sixth bit here. The layers in the layers egg in the egg of Ascaris. In the egg of Ascaris. Okay, layers in the leg of Ascaris are one protein, two lipid, three both one and two, four none. Okay, this is the sixth one, and this is the seventh one. The larva of Ascaris perform extraintestinal migration through the following organs in the body of man. Okay, liver, hepatic portal vein, post-caval vein, alveoli, heart, larynx, intestine. Okay, H, esophagus, I, stomach. Okay, this is the options. You have to arrange them in proper order. The correct sequence in the journey is A, B. You can read these options. Okay, next option is this one. You have to arrange them in the proper, the correct sequence of journey of Ascaris larva, extraintestinal migration. Third stage rhabditiform larva is formed in. Third stage rhabditiform larva is formed. Okay, alveoli of lungs, liver, heart, intestine. The journey performed by larva of Ascaris through various organs in the human body is called diurnal migration, extraintestinal migration, anadromous migration, and nocturnal periodicity. Tube-in-tube organization is seen in. Tube organization is seen in. One is roundworm, two tapeworm, three trematodes, four turbellarians. Okay, tube-in-tube organization is seen in roundworms, tapeworm, trematodes, and turbellarians. Okay, here next one, intermediate host of Ascaris is. Okay, female Culex, female Anopheles, female Aedes, and none. Intermediate host of Ascaris. Next 12th one, read the following statement and select the wrong ones. Select the wrong ones. Okay, eggs of Ascaris are described as mammaliated eggs. Larva of Ascaris is microfilaria, and infection of Ascaris is by inoculation. And larva of Ascaris perform extraintestinal migration. Okay, read the following, select the wrong ones. What is the wrong one there? Okay, here for 12th option, okay, read the following statement and select the wrong ones. Okay, there are two wrong ones are there. You have to identify them. Two wrong ones are there. Two wrong ones. So identify. That means two answer is two option. Okay, let's read the following statements about Ascaris. It is a digenetic parasite. It exhibits sexual dimorphism. And next, its body cavity is pseudocoelom. Incorrect ones. Incorrect ones. Okay, A, B, C, all. What are the incorrect ones? Ascaris is oviparous, viviparous, ovoviviparous, and none. And Ascaris belongs to the subkingdom Parazoa, Eumetazoa, Animalia, and Protozoa. What are the correct answers? Okay, note down those answers. I will send you key after a while.